Fellow Afghans, we are very fortunate that several international agencies, the United States government, the Russian government, they all have discovered very valuable minerals in Afghanistan. Lithium, copper, iron, and so forth and so on. And they have valued this. And their estimate of the value is about $3 trillion. Now, I have done an economic analysis of the impact and the value of these minerals upon the economy of Afghanistan. And according to my calculations, once the minerals are extracted and exported to the international market, it would generate sufficient funds for Afghanistan to change the per capita income of the people of Afghanistan from its current level to the level of the Europeans in about 25 to 30 years. So you see, we should be very optimistic and look forward to the possibility of exploiting the minerals of Afghanistan and make good use of it for the people and the country of Afghanistan. In some countries, unfortunately, they have also discovered mineral resources, but it has been exploited by the local government and by other profiteers. I think the government of Afghanistan should prevent that and make sure that all of the values are plowed back into the economic growth of the country. And that is possible, and we should feel very fortunate about that. Thank you very much.